As floodwaters recede, thousands of people are left homeless in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Threatened with waterborne diseases, many of the homeless families take shelter in schools and churches. Parish priest Jojo Zerodo of the Holy Family Parish in Quezon City shares with UCAnews.com the plight of his parishioners and the church workers.
I have to celebrate Mass in this setting. You can't force people to go out because they're noisy. Not all here are Catholics, so those who do not share the faith, well, they sit down, they walk around. Catastrophes, calamities, definitely, they are not called acts of God for nothing. Catastrophes like this also unite people. I never asked, are you Catholic? Are you not Catholic? We never asked people. Everybody's welcome. In fact, I think it was Pope Benedict in his first encyclical who said that our charity should transcend even the limitations of religion, and we should be charitable to all, and not even use charity to proselytize. That is why here, even if we have Mass, I do not force them. Even pro-RH people, they are here. Even for example, I know the politicians who come, I know they're all pro-RH. But I allow them to set up their medical mission. So that's the opportunity given by the Lord for them to be charitable in the same way that the Lord gives us the same reason to be charitable.
This is Joe Torres reporting for UCAnews.com from Quezon City.